Good afternoon to each and everyone. We are Group 8 and today we're going to discuss about the rules of differentiation. So without further ado, let's go to our topic. For number 1, we have f of x equals 5x squared 3x minus 6. So ang una natin gagawin, hahanapin natin yung derivatives ng 5x squared and 3x minus 6. So ang derivative ng 5x squared is 10x and ang derivative naman ng 3x minus 6 is 3. So, ginamitan lang natin yan ng different rules about sa mga derivatives. So, ang next step naman, i-multiply natin siya gamit ang ating formula. 5x squared times 3 plus 3x minus 6 times 10x. Then, next step, isi-simplify natin. 15x squared plus 30x squared minus 60x. So, makikita natin na merong mga values na magkakaparehas. So, pwede natin yung pagsamahin para sa final answer natin. So, ang final answer natin is f prime of x equals to 45x squared minus 60x. So, para naman sa number 2, we have f of x equals 3x plus 4, 2x cubed minus 6. So, ganun lang ulit. Hahanapin natin yung derivatives ng 3x plus 4 and 2x cubed minus 6. So, ang derivative ng 3x plus 4 is 3. And ang derivative naman ng 2x cubed minus 6 is 6x squared. So, ganun lang ulit. Gagamitin natin yung formula para sa problem na to. So, we have 3x plus 4, 6x squared, plus 2x cubed minus 6, 3. So, sisimplify natin siya. We have 18x cubed plus 24x squared minus 6x cubed minus 18. So, makikita natin merong magkakapares ng exponent. So, pwede natin siyang pagsamahin for our final answer. So, for our final answer, we got f prime of x equals 24x cubed plus 24x squared minus 18.
Let us now find the derivative of g of x is equals to x squared plus 2x plus 6 times 2x cubed minus 7x minus 4. U is equals to x squared plus 2x plus 6 and v is equals to 2x cubed minus 7x minus 4. The derivative of x squared plus 2x plus 6 is 2x plus 2, and the derivative of 2x cubed minus 7x minus 4 is equals to 6x squared minus 7. By applying the product rule, we will have x squared plus 2x plus 6 times 6x squared minus 7 plus 2x cubed minus 7x minus 4 times 2x plus 2. Let us now solve the following. X squared times 6x squared is equals to 6x raised to 4 plus 2x times 6x squared is equals to 12x cubed plus 6 times 6x squared is equals to positive 36x. So next is x squared times negative 7 is equals to negative 7x squared, and 2x times negative 7 is equals to negative 14x, and 6 times negative 7 is equals to negative 42. And 2x cubed times 2x is equals to positive 4x raised to 4, and negative 7x times 2x is equals to negative 14x squared, and negative 4 times negative 2x, positive 2x, is equals to negative 8x. And the next one is 2x cubed times 2 is equals to 4x cubed, and negative 7x times 2 is equals to negative 14x, and negative 4 times positive 2 is equals to negative 8. So if we combine the like terms, we will get the function of g prime of x is equals to 10x raised to 4 plus 16x cubed plus 15x squared minus 36x minus 15. So let's move on to the next question, which is finding the derivative of y is equals to x squared plus 4 squared. As you can see, both of them are in the parentheses. That means both of them are raised to 2. So since both of them are the same, they will have the same derivative, which is 2x. So we'll just use the same rule that we used earlier, which is the product rule, and we will have x squared plus 4 times 2x plus x squared plus 4 times 2x. All we have to do is solve the following, which is x squared times 2x is equals to 2x cubed, and 4 times 2x is equals to positive 8x. And then same as before, x squared times 2x is equals to 2x cubed, and 4 times 2x is equals to 8x. After solving the problem, we will combine the like terms, and we will have y prime is equals to 4x cubed plus 16x.
So y is equal to 3, parenthesis 14 plus 2x over x squared plus 5x plus 6. So our u is equal to 3 parenthesis 14 plus 2x. I-multiply muna natin siya before natin kunin yung derivative. So ang ating u na ngayon ay 42 plus 6x. And for our b naman is equal to x squared plus 5x plus 6. So for now, kukunin na natin ang kanilang derivative. So ang derivative ng ating u is equal to 6. And our b naman is 2x plus 5. So after natin makuha ang kanilang derivatives ay i-multiply naman natin sila sa kanilang derivatives. So x squared plus 5x plus 6 times 6 minus 42 plus 6x times 2x plus 5 over x squared plus 5x plus 6 squared. So 6 times x squared is equal to 6x squared. 6 times 5x is equal to 30x. 6 times 6 is equal to 36. So next is 2x times 42 is equal to 84x. 2x times 6x is equal to 12x squared. And 5 times 42 is equal to 210, and 5 times 6x is equal to 30x. So after natin ma-multiply, pagsama-samahin ang may mga same exponent. So 6x squared plus negative 12x squared is equal to negative 6x squared. Next is 30x plus negative 30x equal to 0. So matitira na lang ay ang negative 84x. And last is 36 plus negative 210 is equal to negative 174. So ang ating final answer is equal to negative 6x squared minus 84x minus 174 over parenthesis x squared plus 5x plus 6 squared. So next is y is equal to parenthesis x plus 1 times x squared plus 6x over x minus 1. So ang ating u is parenthesis x plus 1 times x squared plus 6x. So gaya ng nauna ay kailangan muna natin siya i-multiply bago natin kunin ang kanyang derivative. Ang ating u is equal to x cubed plus 7x squared plus 6x. So next is our v. Our v is equal to x minus 1. So now kunin na natin ang kanilang derivative. So ang derivative ng ating u is equal to 3x squared plus 14x plus 6. Derivative naman ng ating v is equals to 1. So, after natin makuha ang kanilang derivative, ay multiply naman natin sila sa kanilang derivative din. So, x minus 1 times 3x squared plus 14x plus 6 plus x cubed plus 7x squared plus 6x times 1 over x minus 1 squared. So, x times 3x squared is equal to 3x cubed. X times 14x is equal to 14x squared. X times 6 is equal to 6x. X cubed times 1 is equal to x cubed. 7x squared times 1 is equal to 7x squared. 6x times 1 is equal to 6x. So, after natin ma-multiply sila lahat, ay pagsasama-samahin natin ang may mga variable na may same exponent. So, 3x cubed plus negative x cubed is equal to 2x cubed. 14x squared plus negative 14x squared plus negative 3x squared plus 1x squared is equal to negative 4x squared. Next is 6x plus negative 6x is equal to 0. So, ang ating final answer is equal to 2x cubed minus 4x squared minus 4x minus 6 over parenthesis x minus 1 squared.
Y is equal to squared of 2x squared plus 3x minus 6. So, ang ibig sabihin dyan is meron tayong dalawa na 2x squared plus 3x minus 6. So, ibig sabihin yan, ang u at v natin ay iisa o magkaparehas. So, ang u natin is equal to 2x squared plus 3x minus 6. Ganon din sa v natin, equals 2x squared plus 3x minus 6. So, ang derivative ng u natin ay kunin natin 2 times 2 is equal to 4x plus 3. Ganon din sa v natin, ang derivative ng v natin ay 4x plus 3. So, si u natin at derivative of v ay ita-times natin. So, yan. 2x squared plus 3x minus 6 times 4x plus 3. Plus, ganun ulit, 2x squared plus 3x minus 6 times 4x plus 3. So, ngayon naman po ay magta-times tayo. 2x squared times 4x is equal to 8x cubed. Positive 3x times 4x is equal to positive 12x squared. Negative 6 times 4x is equal to negative 24x. Ngayon naman, i-times natin sa 3. 2x squared times 3 is equal to positive 6x squared. Positive 3 times 3 is equal to positive 9. And 6 times 3 is equal to negative 18. So, ganun din sa kabila, ita-times din natin siya. So, yung nakuha din natin sa kabila ay yung makukuha din natin kasi same lang naman sila. So, yan. So, ngayon naman ay pagsasamahin na natin sila or ipagpa-plus lang natin sila. So, unahin natin ay yung exponent of 3. So, 8 plus 8 is 16x cubed. 12 plus 6 plus 12 plus 6 is equal to 36x squared. So, ang next naman natin ay yung mga x. So, 24x, yung 9 natin dyan ay may x din yan. Hindi lang nailagay. So, may x yan. 24x plus 9x plus 24x plus 9x is equal to 30x. So, next naman natin ay yung 18 kasi yan na lang last. 18 plus 18 is 36. So, ang sagot natin is equals to 16x cubed plus 36x squared minus 30x minus 36. So, next natin is number 11. G of x is equal to x squared minus 5 over 2x plus 5. So, ang u natin dyan ay yung numerator. So, yung u natin is equal to x squared minus 5x at kunin natin yung derivative of u. So, yung derivative of u natin ay 2x minus 5 At yung v naman natin ay yung denominator. So, which is 2x plus 6. At ang derivative of v ay 2. So, ang next natin gagawin ay times lang natin si v kay derivative of u. So, 2x plus 6 times 2x minus 5 minus x squared minus 5x times 2 over square root of 2x plus 6. So, ngayon ay times na natin sila. So, 2x times 2x is equal to 4x squared. 2x times 5 is equal to negative 10. Next naman ay 6 times 2x is equal to positive 12x. 6 times negative 5 is equal to negative 30. So, ganun din sa kabila, x squared times 2 is equal to 2x squared. And negative 5x times 2 is equal to negative 10x. Over squared of 2x plus 6. So, dito ay gagayahan lang natin yung ginawa natin kanina. So, kaya naging 2x to kasi negative 10 plus 12x equal to 2x. Kaya natin siya ginanyan kasi para hindi na humaba yung solution. So, ngayon dito, tatanggalin lang natin yung open and close parenthesis. So, next, ito na yung magsasolve na po tayo para makuha natin yung final answer. So, 4x squared plus negative 2x squared is equal to positive x squared. Positive 2x plus 10 is equal to positive 12. And 30. So, ang final answer natin is g of x is equal to 2x squared plus 12x minus 30 over 2x plus 6.
14. Find the derivative of s of x is equals to x squared minus 4 times x plus 3 over x plus 2. So the first thing we will be doing here is to factor out the expression x squared minus 4. So that will be x minus 2 times x plus 2. And then we have the x plus 3, which is all over x plus 2. Now we will cancel out the common factors, which is the x plus 2. So we will be left with x minus 2 times x plus 3. Now we will simplify this expression by using the FOIL method. So this will become x squared plus 3x minus 2x minus 6. Then combine like terms, which is the 3x and minus 2x. So that will equal to x. So x squared plus x minus 6. Now using the differentiation rules, we will differentiate each term separately. Now for the x squared, we'll apply the power rule, which states that the derivative of a form x raised to n is n times x raised to n minus 1. So applying this, x squared will be 2x raised to 2 minus 1. So that will just be 2x. And for the value x, the derivative of x would just equal to 1. Well, for the number 6 here, since this is a constant, we'll of course apply the constant rule, which states that the derivative of a constant is 0. So 6 will equal to 0. So for us to find the derivative of the entire function, we will combine each term. So s prime of x is equals to 2x plus 1 plus 0. And if we simplify that, that would just be s prime of x equals to 2x plus 1. So the derivative of the function s of x equals to x squared minus 4 times x plus 3 all over x plus 2 is s prime of x equals to 2x plus 1. So number 15, find the derivative of f of x is equals to 7x over x plus 4 times x minus 6. So first let us simplify that expression. So that will be x squared minus 6x plus 4x minus 24. Now let us combine the like terms, negative x squared plus 2x, so that will be x squared minus 2x minus 24. Now using the differentiation rules, let us first find the derivatives of 7x and x squared minus 2x minus 24. Now we know the derivative of 7x is equal to 7, and by using the power and constant rules, the derivative of x squared minus 2x minus 24 is 2x minus 2, because x squared is equals to 2x and 2x is equals to 2, and since 24 is a constant, that would equal to 0. So its derivative is 2x minus 2. Now using this, we will multiply the derivative of 7x to x squared minus 2x minus 24, and then minus the 7x times the derivative of x squared minus 2x minus 24, which is 2x minus 2, which is then all over x squared minus 2x minus 24 squared. Well, so this will all equal to negative 7x squared plus 168 over x squared minus 2x minus 24 squared. So our answer will be f prime of x equals to negative 7x squared plus 168 over x squared minus 2x minus 24 squared.